Hi there, I hope you are having the best week. My kids are napping, so I need to be a little quieter. But I wanted to show you really quickly some of the things that I am super excited about as far as this year's Christmas holiday collection. That way, in case you are on the lookout for anything, or if you just wanted to try some things yourself, this is the perfect opportunity to do it. So the first thing, this new red lip is officially available. It's called Red Velvet. It comes in the liquid to matte, so it dries a flat color. It's longer lasting, but it's called Red Velvet, and it's a very like berry red. I think it's gorgeous and a lot less intimidating than other reds out there. The second thing I am really excited about, this right here. So this is the Jet Setter collection. It's a travel makeup brush collection. I have last year's edition. This year's is silver and shiny and absolutely gorgeous, but I'm going to show you what comes inside, because if you are in need of new makeup brushes, or you just don't have nice ones, or you need somewhere to start, this right here is $72 and comes in a zipper pouch and includes, they're just smaller sizes of the most essential brushes that you could use. So let me show you the case itself. So the brushes actually go in these little pockets here. I have them out right now. That way I can just show them to you quickly. That way they don't roll around, but you can also add things into the case too when you travel. It also has this flat beauty blender, which I have obviously been using. It needs cleaned, but it goes in this little pouch right here. So real quick, these brushes are essentially what you need for a full face of makeup, whether you're like going bold or just simple every day. But I use this one for blush, obviously, blush and bronzer, this one for powder. It has one for brows, and also you can use this as an eyeliner. This one is lip or concealer, and then two eyeshadow brushes. These I'm excited about because these are the two that I use most often. So that is a really good deal, and also something that not only would be a good gift for yourself, but something for someone else that uses makeup and might need new nice brushes, because brushes make a huge difference when it comes to application. The next thing I'm super excited about, how cute are these packages, right? So I'm going to share with you what's inside one of them, because this is something that I haven't done a lot of lately, but I used to, and it's really good as far as like health benefits go for your skin, and that is gua sha. So one of those is called Glow with the Flow, and it comes with a travel size due date face oil and this little stone right here. This is a gua sha stone, and if you purchase one of these, or if you purchase them for someone else, I would be more than happy to do a personalized tutorial, either a video, or we could do it in person, or like through FaceTime would be really fun too, but to show you exactly how to use it. This is something that is good to help you relax, because you actually do it, start it on your chest, and it helps with lymphatic drainage, and then you move it up through your neck and through your face. What it does is help boost blood circulation. It helps with, like I said, lymphatic drainage, so you're helping reduce puffiness and inflammation, and just improve overall skin health. It's really good if you have jaw tension or tension in general, and it's also very relaxing. So this is one that I highly recommend. This stone itself is really nice. The one that I have is not right here right now, but it is the exact same size as this, and it's from another beauty company, but this is the exact same feel, and I wanted to make sure that this one was like a nice quality stone before I recommended it to you, but it's really nice, and I highly recommend it because it's also a really good value. Other things to be on the lookout for is the new eyeshadow shades that are officially launched, along with, they come with an eyeshadow brush that is dual-sided, which literally has the ones that I showed you earlier that I use whenever I apply eyeshadow. It has that with it. So let me know if you need help, if you're searching for yourself, or you want to try a few new things, or you're searching for someone else. I'm more than happy to help you, and I hope you are doing amazing, having an amazing week, and I appreciate you and all your support and everything, especially this year that's been a little harder than others. Thank you.